चलो, so good evening बच्चा लोग, those who have joined late, good evening to all of you. So let's start our class then. आज क्या पढ़ना मुझे और हमें मतलब सबको. We have to study capacitance. ठीक है? So I have written few of the things. I thought of कि I'll teach you from prepared notes. I have written 1 or 2 pages and then I get bored. Then I thought of चलो, whatever I have written, I'll continue that and then I'll teach you live. So what is capacitance? As you can see here. So capacitance is what? Is an ability. किसी भी material का क्या है? एक ability है. So it's an ability to hold charge at a given potential. ठीक है? So an ability to hold charge at a given potential, which depends on the shape, size, and medium in which it produces electric field. ठीक है? How does it depend on medium, shape, and size? We'll study those things in later classes. But if you ask me what is capacitance, then this will be the definition. Okay, you can write this definition in your board exam, like in your board examination or for your board question. That capacitance is an ability to hold charge at a given potential, which depends on shape, size, and medium in which it produces electric field. Or you can also define capacitance as charge required per unit rise in potential. Okay, charge required. In so many competitive books, you'll find the definition for capacitance is given as charge required per unit rise in potential on a conductor is also called as capacitance. तो उसको ऐसे दिखाते हैं, C is equal to Q divided by V. So what is V? V is the rise in potential. ठीक है? To explain this thing, I have written some statement here. So as when some charge is supplied to a conductor, if you supply some charge to a conductor, what will happen, bacha? Its potential increases, right? If you supply some charge to a conductor, its potential increases and vice versa. Ulta bhi ho sakta hai. Now the charge supplied is directly proportional to, so whatever the charge that you are supplying to the conductor, can I say that will be directly proportional to potential of a conductor. Now if a potential of conductor increases by V, if potential of a conductor increases by V due to charge Q supplied, so when you have supplied charge Q, let us say the potential of the conductor has increased by V. Then we say this Q is what? Directly proportional to V, or I can say that Q is equal to C into V. I have eliminated this proportionality sign. I have used a proportionality constant, and we write this constant as capacitance. Okay? So my voice is echoing. Guys, can you hear me clearly? और कुछ problem है? All good. ठीक है. Thank you. So capacitance क्या है बच्चा? Capacitance is what? This proportionality constant here. Now you can write this C as Q divided by V. Q divided by V. Sometimes it will be asked to you, if I increase the charge supply, will capacitance change? Guys, come on, answer. If charge, this Q is increased to double, will capacitance change? No. If Q will be double, V will also become double. If potential difference across the capacitor has been reduced to half, then what will happen to the capacitance? Then I'll say capacitance will still remain same. If this V will remain V by 2, then Q will also remain Q by 2. So 2 to cancel again, the ratio will become Q by 2. Alright guys, so you can write here, capacitance does not depend on, which is याद रखना, ठीक है? Capacitance does not depend on charge supplied to conductor or potential difference applied across it. Because if you change the charge, potential will change in such a way that this ratio will remain same. Now, what are the parameters on which this capacitance depend? So it depends on the shape of the capacitor. I'll let you know how. Okay, आगे पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. On the size of capacitor, on the medium in which you have kept the capacitor. So these are the 3 things on which primarily capacitance depends on. ठीक है? तो इस चीज को थोड़ा याद रखना, बाद में लिखवाऊंगा मैं. और let me write it here only. You'll understand why they write this point in later classes. ठीक है? So capacitance depends on shape, size and medium. If you change the shape and size of the conductor, capacitance will change. If you change the medium, capacitance will change. ठीक है? Now let us consider an isolated conductor. ठीक है? और isolated sphere, ये कुछ भी मानता हूँ, एक normal सा condition मानता हूँ. So for an isolated conductor, isolate का मतलब क्या? किसी से connected नहीं है. If you are having, let's say, this as the isolated conductor, okay? ये गोल क्यों बन गया? An arbitrary shaped isolated conductor. If you are having like this, and if the charge on this is, let's say, plus, some positive charge has been given to this. Tell me what will be the capacitance of this conductor? बताओ बच्चा लोग. What will be the, if charge is Q and potential at the surface here is what? V. This is A. So let's say VA is V. Tell me what will be the capacitance? For an isolated conductor, what will be the capacitance here? Charge is what? Q. And because of that, what is the potential on the surface? What is the potential here? V. So what will be the capacitance? I'll say directly Q by V. Simple. Okay? Q by V is what? The capacitance. But do we need this? Are we going to use this conductor in real life as a capacitor? Okay? But you should understand, sir, why do we use capacitor? What is the actual use of capacitor? See, I'll tell you a very simple example here. If you if I have given this example to you earlier, if you have asked me what is capacitance earlier, I would have given this example to you. This is the common example that I normally give to everybody. See, if I ask you, give me a glass of water. ठीक है, give me a glass of water. अभी वो glass of water मुझे चाहिए, and I am asking you to give me a glass of water instantly. मतलब एक बार में मुझे एक glass पानी चाहिए. Or let me quote it like this: 1 liter of water. How will you give that 1 liter of water to me? Now, what are the ways in which you can give 1 liter of water to me? Yeah, I will give a bottle. There is one more method. There is one more way to give that 1 liter of water. क्या है condition? Sir, 1 liter का bottle अगर मेरे पास है, if I am having 1 liter water, I'll spread that water on the, or if there is 1 liter of water already lying down on the surface of or on the floor, you'll say, sir, that is 1 liter of water. I have given that 1 liter of water. That is also one of the methods, right? If that 1 liter of water is what spread all across the floor, so will that be useful to me? If I ask you, yeah, I can't take it because that is not useful to me, right? So you have given what? You have given me 1 liter of water in a water bottle. एक bottle में आपने एक साथ दे दिया. If I ask you, give me 1 bucket of water, एक bucket में पूरा पानी मेरे को दोगे, right? So that was the use. मुझे क्या पूरा गंदा पानी is not useful. No, I didn't ask you the water to drink. I asked you 1 liter of water. That can be useful to anything. मुझे irrigate करना है या मुझे किसी को गंदे पानी से नहलाना है. That can also be a work to me, right? I also I might need that particular water to like spray on somebody. ठीक है, मुझे 1 liter पानी चाहिए था. किस लिए चाहिए था? I didn't mention, right? So for that you should think. Normally this capacitor is used to store energy. ठीक है? A capacitor is used, yeah, to play holy. So a capacitor is used to store energy, and when it is required, that capacitor must be able to give that energy in a very short span, and that energy must be what? Stored in a finite surface, or sorry, in a finite area. Just imagine if you are having, if you talk about energy stored due to this conductor, can I say electric field due to this conductor is extended till infinity? Now you must be surprised, sir, why are you saying energy stored here? Yeah, I'll say energy stored. मेरा voice echo कर रहा है? Are you sure? I don't know what to do then, because everything is as normal as it used to be. Okay, so for few of you there is a problem. Please check your internet. Sorry, please check your headphone. Okay, so can I say, sir, the electric field due to this charge distribution is extended till infinity. That means if I bring some charge capital Q or Q naught here, this will get some kind of energy. राइट? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? ओके, वेट अ मिनट, आई गॉट इट. क्यों प्रॉब्लम है? वेट. चलो देखो, now I think it should be okay. Okay, so I was talking about where the energy due to this charge distribution on this conductor is distributed. So I'll say energy is distributed till infinity. Hot jagah energy. Why am I saying energy is distributed or energy is there? Because if I bring some Q naught charge here, what will happen? If I bring Q naught charge here, can I say this will get some energy because of this? Just bring a Q naught charge and release it. What will happen? It will go away from it. It has got some energy. From where it has got some energy? Because of this charge distribution, the energy. This particular charge has got the energy. So can I say there is energy stored in all these spaces? Yeah, in the electric field. So energy is stored in the electric field. But where these energies are? Pura infinity tak sab jagah hai, right? If you want to use this energy, can I say it is actually very difficult for you? It might interfere if you are going to use this as a part of electrical circuit. क्या होगा? It might be what? अभी और खराब हो गया? यार, what is going on? Guys, how many of you think voice is not okay? Voice is echoing a lot. Okay, पूरा mixed चल रहा है. What is going on यार? Okay, wait. Let me use the laptop mic. I can't use this headphone for that. Let me use the laptop. Guys, now is it okay? Now, am I clear to all of you? Can you hear me clearly? No echo? Chalo, theek. So let me continue like this one. Okay, fine. So I was talking about energy, right? So I can say energy is what distributed what in a very larger area. And if you want to use this particular element in any of the electrical circuit, can I say the electric field that is extended till infinity, it can affect the other element also? Got it? So I will say this is not practically possible, or this is not actually a useful element to me. So what will I do? I'll try to contain that energy in a finite area. Okay, I'll try to contain that energy in a finite area, so that whenever I'll need energy, I'll take the energy from that finite area. That's it. ठीक है? चलो देखो, तो what is the proper way to do that? कैसे करेंगे? Now let me bring one more conductor near to this. ठीक है? I'll see. Like after this 5 minutes, जो भी पढ़ाऊंगा, that will be analysis. That will let you feel कि होता क्या है. Why do we use two conductors? Why do we use positive and negative charge distribution or charge arrangement for capacitor? ठीक है? उस चीज को समझना है यहाँ पे. Just imagine if a conductor is brought near the charged conductor. Tell me what will happen, bachalo? If you're having this conductor, let me copy this for you. Chalo, this was the conductor. Now bring one more conductor here near to this. Let me call this as conductor B. Tell me what will happen to this conductor because of this charge distribution. Yes, correct. Charges will be induced. Where the charges will be induced? Since we are talking about conductors, the charges will be induced on the surface. So can I say to the near side, negative charges will be induced, and to the far side, positive charges will be induced. Got it? So equal amount of positive and equal amount of negative charges will be induced on this surface, so that the net force on this, net charge on this conductor must be 0, because initially there was no net charge. Finally also there should not be any net charge on the conductor. So this is how the induction will occur. Now tell me, if I ask you To find out the potential at A, tell me what will be the potential at A. Can I say potential at A will be potential because of this charge distribution, then potential because of this negative charge distribution, then potential because of this positive charge distribution. Can I write like this? Sir, V, because potential because of this charge distribution is V. We have assumed V. Now what will be the potential because of this positive charge? So let me call this V plus. So I write V plus. I'm taking modulus so that it should be positive. Now what will be the potential because of this negative charge distribution? That will be negative. Let me call that as negative of modulus of V minus. Why did I take modulus? Reason बहुत simple है. Let us say minus 10 volt. इसके कारण potential is let's say minus 10 volt. So what I have done? Minus and put modulus of potential minus 10. Because of this potential will decrease, right? That is why I have written like this. Now tell me what has happened here. Potential at A has increased or decreased? Because of bringing a conductor near to this conductor A, potential at A has increased or decreased? बताइए बच्चों. Yeah, it has decreased. पक्का समझ में आया? अच्छा, few of you will say, sir, why did you say, sir, it has decreased? यहाँ पढ़ा भी तो है. There has been addition also. But can I say that V plus modulus is less than V minus modulus? Yes, Pratish. I knew you'll ask me. Can I write this? Reason is very simple. These positive charges are what? Away from this. If you compare these negative charge and positive charges, these positive charges are far away from this charge distribution. I am talking about potential at A because of this, potential at A because of this positive charge distribution. So these charges are what? Far away if you compare the distance of negative and positive charges at A. So can I say potential due to this plus charge is what? Less than potential due to negative charge. Got it? So can I write this VA is less than V? Guys, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? पूछो. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Got it, guys? Now can I say potential has decreased? If I ask you what will be the capacitance, so can I say Q divided by VA? ठीक है, Q divided by VA. Now VA is what? Less than V. That means this capacitance has, so VA has increased. So capacitance has increased. ठीक है, फिर से बताता हूँ, देखो. See, I was talking about potential at A. So potential at A will be because of three charge distributions. One because of this positive charge distribution. Second one because of this negative charge distribution. Third because of this positive charge distribution. Because of this charge distribution, potential is capital V. लिख दिया. Because of this positive charge distribution, I have written modulus V plus. Because of this negative charge distribution, I have written potential is V minus. But since this will have a negative sign, so I have used a negative sign. Now, if I ask you, what is the relation between V plus and V minus? What is the relation between V plus and V minus? Can I say that V plus will be less than V minus because this positive charge is far away from this point? Iska distance, which is closer to point A or which is closer to this surface A? Negative or positive? Yes, correct. So this positive charge distribution is what? At larger distance. So because of this potential will be less. That is why I have written V positive is less than V negative. समझ में आया क्या? चलो आगे देखते हैं. So now what has happened? Can I say potential of this particular surface has now decreased? If potential has decreased, what will happen to the capacitance? बताओ बच्चों लोग, what will happen to the capacitance? So if potential at this has been decreased, capacitance will increase. So now can I say when I have brought a conductor here, capacitance has increased. That means if you are using an isolated conductor and if you are using two conductors instead, the capacitance will be more in the later type, right? तो पहला condition. तो हमेशा क्या use करते हैं? We in like for normal for daily life we always use pair of or system of conductors. क्योंकि देख लो आप system of conductors में क्या होता है? Capacitance increases. मुझे ज़्यादा capacitance चाहिए होता है, right? Okay, few of you are saying, sir, it does not. I am talking about potential at this, bacha. I am talking about potential at this. When I told that Q and V, वहाँ पे क्या था? Connection हुआ करता था. If you change the charge, potential will change similarly. Here I am not changing anything. यहाँ पे दूसरा एक external factor आया है. Got it? I am not changing internally this. Did I change the charge here? No. क्या किया हमने? Externally हमने क्या एक और दूसरा कंडक्टर लाया. ठीक है? बताऊंगा, डोंट वरी. ये सारी चीजें समझ में आएंगी आगे जाके. अभी तक सिर्फ ये समझो. So now capacitance has what? Increased. Now tell me what will happen if I remove this positive charge somehow. Tell me what will happen if I remove this positive charge somehow. Capacitance will increase or capacitance will decrease? Tell me, bachalo. If I ground this, yes, can I say it will further increase? It will further increase. Why? Because if you remove this V plus, what will happen if you remove these positive charges? Then this V plus is 0. Got it? So if positive charge on conductor B is removed somehow, then I can say capacitance will further increase. समझ में आया? So if you remove this positive charge from here, because what was the potential we were having? V plus minus V minus. Now this is 0 now. This is 0 now. So can I say now I'm just having V minus V minus? So और छोटा हो गया. It was actually थोड़ा सा adding some value to it. Now it is 0. So now it will still become less. So if potential decreases, what will happen here in this case? Capacitance will increase further. Now from all these analysis, from all these observations, what can we say? First thing that we say is, for real life or to get the best use of capacitor, क्या यूज करना चाहिए? We should use system of conductors. We should not use an isolated one. क्या use करना चाहिए? We should use system of conductors. Then what we should use? We should have arrangement where equal का छोड़ दो, बट लिख देता हूं, equal and opposite charges must appear on the conductors. ठीक है? तो एक पे प्लस हो और दूसरे पे माइनस हो. So because of that, capacitance मुझे ज्यादा मिलेगा, अच्छा मिलेगा. So that is what we should use. क्या पहला? We should use system of conductors. That is why when you study capacitance from any of the book, in most of the book they'll not write this. They'll start with the pair of conductors. They'll start with what is the capacitance of a spherical capacitor or parallel plate capacitor. ठीक है? What is reason of using two plates? What is the reason of using two spherical shells? Reason बहुत simple है. Reason क्या होता है? वहां पे हमें maximum capacitance मिलता है, वहां पे हमें ज्यादा capacitance मिलता है. And secondly क्या मिलेगा? What was the option? What was the aim for using capacitance? हमें क्या चाहिए था capacitance से? We wanted energy, and if you need energy, we will try to get that energy from a finite area, from a finite space. ठीक है? तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Arrangement must be, or arrangement of conductors must be in such a way that electric field is confined to a finite space. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इफ यू वांट टू यूज कैपेसिटर इन रियल लाइफ तो क्या होना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मस्ट बी कन्फाइंड टू अ फाइनाइट स्पेस। सो दीज आर द थ्री थिंग्स हमें ध्यान में देना होता है। अच्छा, नाउ फ्यू ऑफ यू विल से whether this is important for boards, not at all. Whether this is important for boards, not at all. Whether this part is important for boards, not at all. कोई पूछता नहीं है। For KCET and all, this question can be asked to you. ठीक है, this was only the observation. ये आपको बताने के लिए था, so that कि आपको feel आए कि why should we use a pair of conductor to use as a capacitor. ठीक है, उसके लिए मैंने बताया। Now let us move on to some types of capacitors which we normally use. So types of capacitor, where we'll have some space or where we'll have some finite space where the electric field is contained. ठीक है, now let us consider the first one is spherical capacitor. ठीक है, spherical capacitor का मतलब क्या है, you'll have one spherical conductor like this and other one will be concentric to this. So if you're having two concentric spherical shell, if you're having two concentric confined, नरेन confined का मतलब limited, एक ही जगह पे है। ठीक है, नरेन confined का मतलब finite जगह पे। See, I'll tell you from this example you understand that, don't worry. Let us assume that I have charged these two shells like this, positive, positive, ऐसा चार्ज किया। ठीक है, एंड ये नेगेटिव नेगेटिव, इनर सरफेस पे नेगेटिव आया। नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग, सर व्हाई यू हैव टेकन ओनली टू काइंड ऑफ चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, वन एट द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ स्मॉलर स्फीयर, वन एट द इनर सरफेस ऑफ द लार्जर स्फीयर। रीजन उसका एक यही है कि वी यूज अ बैटरी टू चार्ज सच कैपेसिटर्स। ठीक है, वंस आई टीच यू दीज थिंग्स ना, once I'll come to the charging of capacitor, you will understand why did I use only charges here and here, not at the outer surface. उसका रीजन मैं बताऊंगा। ठीक है, अभी के लिए समझ लो कि I have arranged in such a way that I have given the charge to this system of conductors in such a way that on the outer surface of smaller sphere positive charge is there, on the inner surface of this larger sphere is negative. ठीक है, no, not to be neutral, उसका रीजन कुछ और है। Now charges on each one of them is what? Q. ठीक है, दोनों पे Q क्यों आता है उसका भी रीजन है। Why do we get equal and opposite charges on this pair of conductor? There is a proper reason for that. When I'll teach you charging of capacitor, you will understand that. अभी के लिए बस समझ लो कि चार्ज किसी तरीके से आ गया। This is how we are going to use it. Now tell me what is the potential? No, not dipole. ऐसा नहीं है, dipole मत बात कर। Dipole क्या था? दो पॉइंट चार्जेस की बात करते हैं। ठीक है, अभी जस्ट ये समझ। Tell me what is the electric field at this point P? You can consider any of the radius, कुछ भी radius मान लो, radius r, radius 2r, कुछ भी मान सकते हो। Tell me what is the electric field at this position? No, it is practically possible. बताऊंगा बच्चा, don't worry please. मैं चार्जिंग करा बताऊंगा ना, समझ में आएगा। Tell me what will be the electric field at this at any of the outside point. KQ by r, मोनिशा इल्ला correct. KQ by r square. Answer is 0. Yes, answer is what? 0. Electric field, because let us consider a point P which is at a distance of small r. So this point P is an outside point for this smaller sphere also, for this larger sphere also. So potential at P will be what? KQ by r minus KQ by r. क्या मिलेगा मोतीचूर का लड्डू? Can I say electric field at an outside point is now 0? What will be the electric field here? Again 0. Correct? What will be the electric field here? Again 0. You can consider a Gaussian surface also. What is the charge enclosed inside this? That is 0. What will be the electric field inside this? That is also 0. But what is electric field inside this? In the spherical shell, this annulus kind. इसमें क्या होगा? Will it be 0? Illa, it will not be 0. Electric field in the shell, ये thickness जो है ना इसमें 0 नहीं होगा। Can I say we have confined the electric field in this shell? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन दिस कन्फाइंड रीजन. कन्फाइंड का मतलब लिमिटेड किया. Naren, got it? So we have actually limited the electric field in this limited area, limited space. So that is kind of confinement. छोटे से जगह में आपने confine कर दिया, limited कर दिया उसके जगह. Got it? So now can I say this must act as a capacitor? Now ये हमारे काम का है. यहाँ पे मुझे अगर कुछ एनर्जी चाहिए मैं जाऊंगा हाथ से निकाल लूंगा, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है. But still I can say that energy is confined in a limited space. So now this is what useful for us. What will be the capacitance for this? ठीक है? Yes, Chandan. Yeah, like animals in zoo confined. Yeah, when animals are confined in a limited space, वो हमारे देखने की चीज जो होती है उसको जू कहते हैं. ठीक है? ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. बताइए, how should I find capacitance of this capacitor? See, when you are using system of conductors, ठीक है? Let me write that. I think I have missed that. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? For system of conductors, capacitance is defined as charge on each one of them. ठीक है? चार्ज क्या होगा? एक पे प्लस एक पे माइनस. चार्ज ऑन एनी ऑफ देम, तो Q डिवाइडेड बाय V प्लस माइनस V माइनस. मतलब क्या है? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. When you are talking about system of conductors, instead of only V, we talk about potential difference. So what is the potential difference between these two conductors? But normally we write that as V only. Normally we write that as V only. Yes, please, you got it. ठीक है? तो normally इसको क्या लिखते हैं? V. So in most of the book you'll find Q by V is C, where they'll write V as potential difference only. Don't get confused and don't say this is potential. This is what? Actually potential difference. And what is that potential difference? Difference in potential of positive charge distribution and negative charge distribution. So V plus minus V minus. ठीक है? तो इस चीज का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. Now you tell me, what is the potential difference? That means V plus minus V minus. बताओ बच्चों. If charge is Q, you can consider radius as, let's say this is small a. Let me write it properly. This is small a and this is small b. चलो बच्चों, बताइए what is the potential difference? First of all, tell me what is the potential at this point. क्या होगा? See, V plus means potential at the positive, at the surface of this surface. यहाँ पे at first, at positive metal, at positive conductor. What is potential at this? So one because of this, other one because of this. Got it? तो लिखेंगे because of this positive charge distribution. पहले मैं V plus लिखता हूँ individually. तो V plus will be KQ divided by small a. Now this point is what? An inside point for this negative charge. तो क्या मिलेगा? Potential at this point will be equal to potential at the surface of it. So answer would be minus KQ divided by B. ठीक है? So at this point, if I ask you to find the potential, so potential because of this positive charge will be KQ by A. Potential because of this negative charge will be minus KQ by B. Now tell me what is potential at negative charge, or let me name them. right? मैं इसको ऐसा लिखता हूँ और आसानी से. इसको A लिख रहा हूँ, इसको B लिख रहा हूँ. Let me call this as sphere A. This is B. So potential at A, potential at B. Now tell me what is potential at B. So at any of the point on the surface of B, what should I write? So this point is an outside point for this smaller sphere. So the answer will be KQ divided by B. Distance of the point from the center is B. Now this point is a surface point from for this larger sphere. So again the answer will be minus KQ by again radius uska kitna small b. So what is the answer here? This is 0. So what is VA minus VB? VA minus VB. क्या है बच्चा? तो KQ into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So this is the potential difference between these two spheres. Charge कितना है? Q. So what should be the capacitance? So capacitance C will be written as Q divided by VA minus VB. तो Q कैंसिल हो जाएगा, K नीचे रहेगा, 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो आंसर मिलेगा 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू AB डिवाइडेड बाई B माइनस. बच्चा लोग समझ में आया क्या? You just solve this ना. Q value put किया, what is V minus VB? KQ by KQ into this, तो K into Q into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So Q and Q get cancelled, right? Q and Q get cancelled. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So 4 pi epsilon naught will go in the numerator. Take A and B as LCM, that will go in the numerator. In the denominator you get B minus A. So this is the final answer. ठीक है बच्चों लोग? So this is the formula. Now you must ask, you might have this thing in your mind, sir, whether this is important for boards. This formula is important for boards. Because when you see the NCERT, wait, padhata hu. When you see the NCERT, you'll find they have completed this capacitance in, I think, 2 to 3 pages. Complete khatam kar diya capacitance. ठीक है? And they have not even used this name as spherical capacitor or cylindrical capacitor. But in the exercise, they have asked question from spherical capacitor also, cylindrical capacitor also. So one who wants a very simplified syllabus or one who wants to learn from a very simple source, he'll say, sir, I have read the NCERT. There is no any name, there is no any spherical capacitor that has been mentioned in the NCERT book. But if he didn't solve the exercise, he will think, ये हमारे syllabus में ही नहीं. But in the exercise, they have given a question related to spherical capacitor also, cylindrical capacitor also. मतलब क्या होता है? You cannot look for a straightforward syllabus. Sir, since this has not been mentioned in the book, so it cannot be asked. They have given you what is the meaning of capacitor. They have given you how to find capacitance. So they can ask you to find capacitance for a spherical distribution. Okay? That is why you have to understand this. Now question is whether you will be asked to write the derivation for this. I'm doubtful for this. I think they will never ask you to write the derivation for this. But yes, this formula is important. They can ask you numerical based on this. Okay? So please remember the formula. For JEE, for NEET, for CET also. This derivation will give you a context, will give you a perspective. But this formula will give you marks. ठीक है? तो ये कर लीजिएगा. चलो. अभी कुछ बच्चों का डाउट था सर VB कैसे 0 आया? Hey Raksh, wait for a minute. Otherwise, if you are going to ask like this, मैं सीधा तेरा क्वेश्चन हमेशा के लिए इग्नोर कर दूंगा. I'm not a kind of teacher who हमेशा तेरी बात को देख के बताएगा. See, let me make it like give it very straightforward to you guys. ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? टीचर कोई तेरा दोस्त बन गया है क्या? मैथ पढ़ाने वाला हूं, राइट? In online, you are having a freedom where you can post your doubt during the class when I'm like giving the lecture also. But that doesn't mean that when I'm teaching, when I'm speaking something, and if you have asked something, it's a compliance to me that I have to explain that only at that time, at that point of time only. Do I have that kind of compliance? Whether that will be useful for you? Just imagine a condition where I'm teaching you something, blah 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 blah, कुछ तो कर रहा हूं मैं, and all of a sudden your mind got a question. And you posted it on the chat section. Should I be just giving the answer to you directly pura? Imagine that condition, ठीक है? So don't be restless and don't be like this, sir, please answer my doubt. मैं नहीं करूँगा. If you are going to insist on that case, first of all you should wait, ठीक है? Doubt है मैंने बोला. Rataya has also the same doubt. Let me like complete something ना, मैं बताऊँगा उसका. मैं भागा थोड़ी जा रहा हूँ, मैं बिहार थोड़ी जा रहा हूँ. Okay, so Rataya and few of you, Raksh, ने पूछा how VB is 0. See, बच्चा लोग, if you are not getting this, that how VB is 0, that means you don't remember the formula for potential due to spherical shell. तुम्हें potential due to spherical shell का formula नहीं पता है. Tell me what is the potential due to spherical shell at an inside point, and what is the potential due to a spherical shell at the surface of it. If you know this formula, then I think you should be able to understand this. Because that is what I have done it here. Potential at B, that means this one, right? So now this point is an outside point for this small spherical cell. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए क्या हुआ? Outside point. What will be the potential? So KQ by small r. What is small r? Distance of the point from the center. So what is the distance of this point from the center? That is small b. So KQ by B. What is the potential because of this bada sa surface at this point B? So I'll say this point B is a surface point for this sphere. What is the formula for that? So KQ divided by capital R. But since this charge is negative, so I have to put a negative sign here. So minus KQ by, what is the radius of this? Small b. दोनों ही current same आया, so that is 0. So potential at this point is what? 0. Potential at this point is what? This one. So what is the difference? This is the difference. Was that so tough? Ideally, if I would have been in greater mode, good mode, I would never explain this to you again. Because you should also do it by your own, ना? तुम्हें भी करना पड़ता है ना खुद से. It cannot work like this. For every simple छोटा सा परेशानी, you should ask a teacher. I have already I think I have met so many of you, especially from Vikas Dev College. You guys used to come to me and say, "Sir, बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है." And I might have told you that अच्छा है मुश्किल हो रहा है. If you're struggling, that is good thing. Reason क्या हो रहा है? When you're struggling, you're using so many things. Just don't get in a trap of loop. एक होता है physics में क्या loop बन जाता है. You thought of something and it will come again at the same concept again and again. If you are trapped in that loop, break that loop. How do you break that loop? Stop solving, stop thinking about that. Think about something else. And then come back again at the same problem. It might have happened to you that if you are solving a numerical for the first time, or at this point of time, if you're solving a numerical, you couldn't get the answer at this point of time. You left it, and again, if you have come back after a day or 2 days or 3 days, you were able to solve the question. Reason क्या होता है? वो loop में आप फंस गए. The same concepts you were going for again and again. You were not thinking about some other thing. एक ही चीज को बार-बार कर रहे हो, and then you get frustrated, and then you say physics बहुत खराब चीज है. The reason is you get stuck in that loop. उससे बाहर निकलो. How will you get out of it? कुछ देर के लिए छोड़ दो. Otherwise, start from the basic. Read the question again and again. ठीक है? तो for small points, try to do it yourself, बच्चा. That will help you in physics. ठीक है? Anyway, कोई बात नहीं. So we have talked about spherical capacitor. दूसरा एक और टाइप होगा. That is not of any use, but कुछ लोग पूछ लेते हैं, तो बता देता हूँ मैं. ये प्रैक्टिकली फीजिबल नहीं है. उसको कहते हैं हम लोग स्फीयर कैपेसिटर. See, the only reason I am teaching you this capacitor is the confusion that occurs in the name. If I say spherical capacitor and if I say sphere capacitor, if you don't know the meaning, if you don't know the difference, you might say both of them are same, but they are not the same. ठीक है? Spherical का मतलब क्या है? ये shell वाला बनेगा. ये बीच में ऐसे electric field confined होगा. But sphere capacitor क्या है? सिर्फ ऐसे बना दिया गया है. लोगों ने पता नहीं क्यों बनाया, I don't know. Spherical capacitor का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा sphere होगा of some radius a, and there will be another sphere of radius b. Let's say this is small a and this is small b, and distance between these two capacitors, distance between these two conductors is, let's say, L. ठीक है? And condition will be L will be very, very less than A or B. What is the meaning of this, बच्चा लोग? What is the meaning of this? बताओ जल्दी. अच्छा, उल्टा करो. मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया. Now, what is the meaning of this? They are very, very far away from each other. So, what are the conclusions that you can make out of it? I will say, if you are having positive charges here, if somehow I am charging this as positive charge and this is the negative charge, this is minus q, this is plus. तो दूर रखने का मतलब क्या है? या point particles भी. Otherwise, the main thing is there is no any effect of this charge distribution on this one. There is no any effect of this charge distribution on this one. तो बहुत दूर है. If I talk about potential at this point, I should only talk about potential to this positive charge distribution. If I talk about potential at this point, I should only talk about potential to this negative charge distribution. बहुत दूर है. मतलब effect of this charge on this is negligible. Effect of this charge on this is what? Negligible. That is what it means by this particular assumption. ठीक है? तो now if I ask you, tell me what will be the capacitance. तो क्या लिखोगे? If this is again A, this is B. I'll write Q divided by VA minus VB. Now, Q divided. What is VA, bachcha log? As I told you, I don't have to consider this charge distribution to find potential at this. So, क्या लिखेंगे? KQ divided by, what is the distance? What is the radius? Small a. Minus आगे बात करो, what is the potential at B? KQ divided by B. Should I take minus, or minus of minus will become plus? Because potential at B is what? Negative of KQ by B. ठीक है? Yes, Vivek, correct. So the final answer would be Q and Q get cancelled. So I'm going to get 4 pi epsilon naught AB divided by A plus. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव में कभी पूछ देता है, that is why I have get taught. Just imagine, will you use this? क्या यूज नहीं करते हैं. ये confined space में है क्या? No. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? So just for the sake of कि we have studied some concept, this can be asked to you. What will be the capacitance if you are having this kind of pair of or this system of conductor? So answer would be this. थोड़ा सा इसको याद रखना. Don't assume, don't consider sphere capacitors as same as the spherical capacitor. Both of them are different. Spherical मतलब like this. Sphere मतलब individual far away from each other. Correct? रोहन ने पूछा what is the use of capacitor? Guys, you tell me what are the uses of capacitor you know till this point. How many of you know use or application of capacitor? You can write that in the chat. Okay, Vishal ने बोला in fans. Prajwal बोला to store energy. Yes, to store charge. Correct. Rachana to store energy. Capacitors. So yeah, store energy. Speakers, yeah, ठीक है. They provide energy. Battery. Industries. अच्छा, how many of you have seen? I'll tell you very interesting thing. How many of you seen black and white TV? कितने लोगों ने देखा है? पुराने जमाने का ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टीवी देखा है? ओके, देखा है, सबने देखा है. Have you seen anything on that TV? हाँ, डब्बा जिसको कहते हैं, बड़ा सा डब्बा होता था, सलोरा टीवी, पता नहीं क्या क्या होता था नाम, with the gate also in that. So see, when you are going to use that ना, पहले का जमाने में होता क्या था? हाँ, चार्ली चैपलिन, yeah, the Charlie Chaplin that comes on that black and white, yeah, correct, ठीक है. देखो, not set up box, set up box नहीं, CRT TV नहीं. पहले के जमाने में जो black and white TV होता है ना, उसमें if you have seen something on black and white TV, and if you don't actually switch on that TV for a while, let's say for 2 days, for 3 days, if you didn't switch on that particular TV, after 3 to 4 days, if you switch it on, you will find कि जो उसमें energy आता है ना, the kind of brightness that will come on the screen, that will be gradual. That will start from a dot and then the brightness will increase. ठीक है, वो जो स्क्रीन पे जो पिक्चर्स आता है ना, पहले कम ब्राइट रहेगा and then brightness will increase. Tell me, how do you do that? Reason क्या होता है? If you get a chance to remove the parts of that black and white TV, at the back of it you'll find in the circuit ऐसे बड़ा सा एक spherical tube. Why am I saying so? Because मुझे इसका मजा मिला है. ठीक है, या एक ब्लैक कलर का in the circuit you will find a cylindrical thing like this. This is the capacitor that has been used. See, when you normally क्या होता है, when you switch on the TV, तो TV क्या होता है? That is tube, वो अलग चीज है बच्चा. एक कैपेसिटर क्यों यूज होता है बताता हूँ. देखो रीजन देखो. When you switch on the TV, तो इधर से क्या कनेक्शन आता है बैक लाइन का, ठीक है, पावर सप्लाई का. Then this capacitor gets fully charged. ठीक है, fully charged हो गया. जो भी एनर्जी देना है, if you are using it frequently, if you are using that TV frequently, the moment you switch on the TV, तो क्या होता है, जो normal power supply है, that will not give a sudden energy, क्योंकि initially the screen was off. Now suddenly you want that screen to show something to you. You want some light, some brightness should come on the screen. तो from where that sudden energy will come? समझ में आ रहा है? कहाँ से इतना एक बार में बहुत सारा एनर्जी आ जाए? For that we use this capacitor. So when you are using the TV continuously, so what will happen? This capacitor will be charged almost every time. But when you don't use this particular TV for let's say 2 weeks or for a week, then this capacitor will lose its energy. ये क्या लीकेज होता है इससे, चार्ज क्या कहीं और चला जाएगा. Now this will get discharged. So when this will get discharged, this sudden amount of energy that you should get from the capacitor on the screen, now that is lost. So first what will happen, when you switch on the TV, this will store some energy and then this will give the energy to the screen of the TV. ठीक है? So that is why the brightness of that kind of TV will increase gradually if you are switching it on after so many days. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये आपने फैन में भी देखा होगा. Have you heard your father or your mother saying that condenser खराब हो गया? Condenser of this is खराब. तो your mummy or your mom, your grandma or dad, they'll come with a stick. They'll just hit on the fan, the wings of the fan, and then they start running. ऐसा सुना है, हुआ है आपके साथ? With the fan, you switched on the fan, it didn't work. You came with a stick or broomstick, you just give a tap on it, and then it started working. हुआ है आप लोगों के साथ? और in Indian Railways fan, आपने देखा होगा बहुत जगह ऐसा होता है. If you have like traveled through like passenger trains and all, sometimes it will happen. A particular fan is not working, so a guy will come with his pen in his hand. He'll put that pen in that particular fan. He'll just give a tap, and then the fan started working. That is because of the condenser. Because condenser खराब हो जाता है. In fan also, just imagine this condition. Initially, the fan is not working. When you switch on the fan, what happens? You find or you think this fan should work continuously. आराम से काम करना शुरू कर जाए. But from zero to some velocity, just imagine this. Fan is at rest. Now it will gain some. It will gain some speed. So in a very in a very small time, it should gain some velocity. So acceleration will be very, very high. That means force that is required or energy that is required to give a kind of motion to the fan is very, very high. But we are giving a continuous energy through a power supply. So from where the fan will get that sudden energy? कहाँ से होता है? वो sudden energy के लिए हम लोग condenser लगाते हैं. ठीक है? तो condenser क्या करता है? Condenser will give you that sudden push, initial push, कि energy उसको initially मिले so that it will start running. ठीक है? तो initial push के लिए भी हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? Capacitors यूज करते हैं. Wherever you need sudden energy or wherever you need a lot of energy in a very small time, these kind of capacitors will be used. ठीक है? समझ में आया बच्चा लोग? तो ये बहुत सारा इस काम होता है कैपेसिटर का. ठीक है रेखा, थैंक यू. Vinayaka, I didn't get your question, bacha. There were so many messages that have come on the screen. I couldn't see. Yeah, जिनको और कोई डाउट है, wait for the class to end. Stay with me for 5 minutes. I'll try to explain those things. Okay? Now let me complete this cylindrical capacitor. ठीक है? If तुमको कोई परेशानी है, stay in the class for 5 minutes or 10 minutes after the class. पहले मुझे इसे complete करने दो. Because I can see so many responses are there, so many messages are there on the chat. How does it work? देखो चलो, तो cylindrical capacitor क्या है? So you'll have two long capacitor or two long conductors. इसमें क्या होता है? Two long hollow cylinder. तो दो लंबा hollow cylinders हम लोग यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? सब विवेक don't do that. ठीक है? I know those things. Vivek is writing so many applications. Anyway, thank you for your effort. So एक बड़ा सा ये हुआ ऐसा, ठीक है? इसके अंदर में एक छोटा सा होगा कॉन्सेंट्रिक. सर्कुलर तो लग नहीं रहा है. चलो इमेजिन कर लेना सर्कुलर ही है. ठीक है? बट यस, द लेंथ ऑफ दिस इज व्हाट? वेरी लार्ज. किसके कंपैरिजन में? लार्ज मतलब कितना? 10 किलोमीटर, 5 किलोमीटर या 100 किलोमीटर? लार्ज मींस डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल एज कंपेयर टू द लेंथ ऑफ दिस, और द रेडियस ऑफ दीज सिलेंडर्स इज वेरी स्मॉल एज कंपेयर टू द लेंथ ऑफ दिस. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लॉन्ग सिलेंडर्स और infinite cylindrical conductors. ठीक है? Now let me assume, इसको मैं एक्सिस बता देता हूं. This is A and this radius is small b. Inner surface has been charged plus मतलब positively. Sorry, outer surface of smaller cylinder has been charged positively, and inner surface of larger sphere has been charged negatively. And on both these surfaces charges कितना है बच्चा -q and +. मतलब चार्ज का वैल्यू क्या है, सेम है. क्वांटम ऑफ चार्ज इज व्हाट, सेम. उनका साइन अलग अलग है, दे आर अनलाइक इन नेचर. एंड अगेन कैसे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आया बताऊंगा व्हेन आई विल टीच यू चार्जिंग ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स. सो स्टे विद मी फॉर दैट. चलो देखो आगे बात करते हैं. नाउ हाउ विल आई फाइंड व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ दिस कंडक्टर और दिस सिस्टम ऑफ कंडक्टर. द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. If I consider this is A and this is B, to find the capacitance C, I should get the value of VA minus VB. So Q divided by VA minus VB will be the answer for capacitance. समझ में आया चलो. Now if you remember the potential difference between 2 points in case of long cylindrical wire, what is the answer? बताओ चलो जल्दी से आंसर करो. If you are having a conductor like this, this is having charge distribution lambda. This is point A, this is point B. This is R1, this is R2. Tell me what is VA minus VB. We have derived this in the class. No Shreya, पूरा गलत है. I am asking you the potential difference VA minus VB. I am not asking the electric field. I am asking what is the potential difference VA minus VB. We have derived this in the class. We have solved some numericals also. जल्दी से बताओ. No, R1 minus R2 नहीं है. Yes आदेश करेक्ट. क्या करेक्ट आंसर होता है? 2k lambda ln R2 by R1. ठीक है. 2k lambda, no, R1 by R2 नहीं बच्चा. Monisha, see when you are writing this na, first of all I am talking about VA minus VB. The point which is closer to the charge distribution will have higher potential. So VA minus VB must be positive. And if you are writing R1 by R2, this is less than 1. And if you are having ln x which is less than 1, तो ये वैल्यू क्या मिल जाएगा? नेगेटिव. So while quoting the answer, don't get confused whether this is R2 by R1 or R1 by R2. Think logically. I am talking about VA minus VB. A point is closer to the charge distribution. So VA will be greater than VB. So VA minus VB must be positive. So on the right hand side, we should also have a positive value. If you are quoting the answer as ln R1 by R2, then this value will be less than 0. So that cannot be the answer. ठीक है. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होता है? R2 by R1 only. Now tell me in this condition, यहां बताओ what will be VA minus VB? What will be VA minus VB? So can I write VA minus VB can be written as, इसको हटाता हूं मैं. So C will be written as Q divided by 2k lambda. लैम्डा क्या होता है? अभी के लिए लैम्डा रखता हूं, बाद में चेंज कर दूं. ln R2 by R1. R2 कितना है बच्चा लोग? B. R1 कितना है? A. तो B by A. अच्छा, what is lambda? तो lambda is what? Charge per unit length. What is Q here? Q is the total charge unit. So let us say the total length of this is L. The total length of this is what? L. So I can write this as lambda L divided by 2 into lambda ln B by A into 4 pi epsilon naught. तो K को क्या लिखा? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That will go in the numerator. So now lambda and lambda will get cancelled. But here in the capacitance, I am getting what? L also. But since we talked about a long capacitor, so it is not very convenient to write the capacitance for this. तो length मेरे को बताया नहीं रहे. तो it is actually convenience, for convenience. और convenience नहीं है, for proper use ऐसा लिखना. We write capacitance per unit length. So when we talk about cylindrical capacitor, no one will ask you what is the capacitance of cylindrical capacitors. They'll ask you what is the capacitance per unit length. So the answer would be, ये 2 से cancel होगा, ये 4 का 2 हो जाएगा. So answer would be 2 pi epsilon naught divided by ln B divided by. तो ये फॉर्म आपको याद रखना है. Now I told you that capacitance depends on shape and size of the capacitor or conductor, and I told you that you'll understand this in the later stages. Now you can relate that particular thing in all these values. Tell me, if you change B and A, will capacitance change? Yes. Similarly, spherical capacitor, if you change A and B, if you change the shape and size of the conductor, can I say the capacitance will change? Got it? So when you change the shape and size of the capacitor, what will happen? The capacitance will change. Pushpa, don't worry. Where L मैंने miss out नहीं किया बच्चा. I am finding the capacitance per unit length. This divided by L will be, L क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel. ठीक है पुष्पा? चलो तो समझ में आया सबको? So now from here you can relate that yes, capacitance depends on the shape and size of the conductor. If you change the shape, तो पक्का change करेगा because potential will change. If this is a cylinder, the potential difference is different. If this is a spherical shape, the potential difference is different. In a particular shape, if you change the size, if you change the dimensions, that means small a and small b, then also capacitance will change. Then also capacitance will change. So I can say for sure that capacitance depends on shape and size of a conductor. ठीक है, तो इस चीज को थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. तो ये हुआ हमारा जो स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ना था हमें, जो उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट स्टिल इन फ्यू ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन based on these formulas questions have been asked directly. Derivation से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Based on these formulas questions have been asked. From cylindrical and spherical, NCERT में directly दो question पूछा है. In JEE also questions have been asked from these two kind of capacitors. In CET also, in NEET also, direct questions have been asked from this topic. तो please ये formula याद रखना. अच्छा, few of you will say sir B minus A और A minus भी confuse कर जाते हैं सर. दिमाग में क्या रखना है, कैपेसिटेंस नेगेटिव तो नहीं होगा ना. सो लार्जर वैल्यू माइनस स्मॉल वैल्यू, तो बी माइनस, जो भी बड़ा रहेगा वो वाला वैल्यू माइनस स्मॉल वैल्यू. तो ये याद रखना, तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा कि बी माइनस ए लिखना है या ए माइनस बी, बिकॉज इन सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दिस ए एंड बी विल नॉट बी गिवन टू यू, इट विल बी गिवन टू यू एज R1 एंड R2. ठीक है, तो व्हाट विल आई राइट? इफ दिस इज R2, दिस इज R1, देन आई राइट हियर R2 माइनस R1. ठीक है, इस चीज को थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. Yes, Pritesh, if you derive this, if derivation is clear to all of you, then you will not get confused. But what will happen after 1 year, if I ask you the same question, you will not go for the derivation, right? So after 1 year, when you are going to write NEET or JEE examination, you will not expect that you should be deriving it. तुम्हें फॉर्मूला पूरा याद होना चाहिए, because 2 महीने बाद ही ये derivation कर लोगे. But while solving numerical, you might not think about this क्या होना चाहिए, तो confusion होता है. If numerical value is given to you, you will know कि हाँ ये positive होगा. But if I ask you in terms of R1, R2, and if in the option I like give a kind of quick in that, then you might get confused. That is why I'm telling you this. I have seen so many students who get confused in this one. Sir, B minus A or A minus B. Similarly, here, ln of B by A or A by B. तो इस चीज का थोड़ा ध्यान देना. तो B क्या रहना चाहिए? B should be greater than A. Because if B will be less than A, then ln B by A will be what? Negative number. Because you know that ln X is negative if X is less than 1. ठीक है ना? तो इस चीज का थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना. ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं, बट थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना. Guys, click yes if you have understood till this point. Click yes if you have understood till this point. समझ में आया सबको? बहुत बढ़िया. चलो तो अभी हम लोग चलते हैं अपने स्टार कैपेसिटर के पास, जो हमारे सबसे काम का है, और वो क्या है? पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. हमारे सिलेबस में स्पेसिफिकली यही वाला कैपेसिटर हमें पढ़ना है. वी हैव टू स्टडी दिस पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर इन डिटेल. बाकी इन सब में सिर्फ ये फॉर्मूला याद रखो, दैट इज मोर देन एनफ. ठीक है, बट इन आवर सिलेबस फॉर जेईई मेन, टिल जेईई मेन पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर खाली पढ़ लो बस. ठीक है, चलो ये क्या होता है देखते हैं. इसमें क्या रहेगा, एज द नेम सजेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टू प्लेट्स, टू पैरेलल प्लेट्स. ठीक है, तो टू पैरेलल प्लेट्स बनाते हैं. one plate, two plate. So one of them will have positive charge, here negative charge. ठीक है, and let's say this is Q, this will be minus Q. The area of each one of them is A, distance between them is small d. Okay, and one assumption आपको देखना ये है, the distance between the plates is very small. उसका रीजन क्या है समझ में आएगा. ठीक है, तो distance between plate is what, very small. That means this d is what, very small. Now can I say, if I ask you what is the electric field at this point? So for this point, I can say this plate is an infinite plate because this d is what, very very small. So for this point, this plate will look like a very large plate. So an infinite plate. Got it? Chalo, badhiya. Now let us find out what is the capacitance of this. What is the capacitance of this? So let us find the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor. कैसे निकालेंगे? चलो. So we know that capacitance is what, Q divided by potential difference. If I name again, this is A, this is B. So I'll write VA minus VB. ठीक है, Q हमारा रहा है, चार्ज जो भी एक प्लेट पे रहा तो Q divided by VA minus VB. Now tell me, how will you find VA minus VB? How will, guys come on, how will you find potential difference between A and B? Anybody? चलो बच्चों लोग जल्दी से इनपुट दो. हाउ विल यू फाइंड, डी तो नेग्लेक्ट करेंगे, फोर्स से. आई थिंक यू कैन फाइंड द पोटेंशियल यूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिकॉज यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू इनफिनाइट शीट. तुम्हें पता है. यस, ठीक है, देखो. नाउ Q is given to, right? If I ask you, tell me what is the electric field at this point or any of the point inside this. Tell me that will be constant or variable. Electric field inside this will be constant or variable? Constant. Why? Reason बहुत आसान है. Because we know that electric field due to an infinite sheet does not depend on the distance of it. So whether you are finding the electric field here, here, here or here, everywhere electric field will be constant. If you ask me what will be the electric field at this point, I can find out. I'll find electric field in the region will be equal to Q divided by 2A epsilon naught. याद है? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Yes? So Q is what? Q by A. Now, that will be what? In this direction. Because of this negative charge, it will also be towards left. So net field will be plus Q by 2A epsilon naught. Alright guys? So what is the total electric field inside this? So Q by A epsilon naught. So electric field inside this region is Q by A epsilon naught. Okay? And we have done it also. Tell me what is the electric field at this point? I have told you at that point of time that during capacitance this will help you. What will be electric field outside this? 0. What will be electric field outside this? 0. तो electric field कहाँ रह गया? सिर्फ inside में, confined space में. So energy is what? Confined to a finite space. तो हमारे काम का होता है. Now tell me, if electric field is Q by epsilon naught and that is a constant and the direction is also known to you, tell me what will be the potential difference, that means VA minus VB. Electric field flows from higher potential to lower potential. Got it? तो क्या मिलना चाहिए? VA minus VB will be positive. होगा कितना सर? तो I'll say Q divided by, we know that E is equal to और V is equal to dV क्या होता है बच्चा लोग माइनस E डॉट dr। ठीक है, अगर आपको डेल्टा V निकालना है तो ऐसे लिखेंगे। नाउ डेल्टा V कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस इफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज कांस्टेंट आई कैन टेक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एज आउट डॉट डेल्टा R। Here we are going from A to B. Direction of displacement is also along the direction of electric field. So I can directly say that here dV or VA minus VB as VA minus VB as directly E into D. Alright guys, so directly क्या लिखेंगे E into D. So we can write that as E into D. Now what is the value of E? Q by A epsilon naught into small d. So capacitance, देखो Q and Q get cancelled. So capacitance is what? A epsilon naught divided by. Now in this equation also, can I say if you increase the area of the plate, capacitance will change. So it depends on the size of the conductor. If you change the d value, that means if you change the shape of this system, then also the value of capacitance will change. The geometrical configuration पे change मतलब rely कर गया, depend कर गया. So this capacitance will depend on the geometrical configuration. समझ में आया आपको? B पे depend कर रहा है, A पे depend कर रहा है. Guys, this this relation is very important. Please remember this. ये खून में घुस जाना चाहिए. रेड कलर से मार्क कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ये खून में घुस जाना चाहिए. सपने के अंदर में अगर सपना देख रहे हो ना, तब भी ये फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, डायरेक्ट व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटेंस इफ एरिया इज गिवन टू यू एंड डी इज गिवन टू यू। चलो ये हो गया हमारा कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ए पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड क्या मिला मुझे, अभी लिख ही देता हूं फॉर योर रेफरेंस। सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड inside the capacitor, what did we get? देखिए जरा यहाँ पे क्या मिला मुझे, Q by A epsilon naught। तो Q by A epsilon naught, ठीक है। VA minus VB क्या मिला है, E into directly। This will help you, ठीक है। कुछ न्यूमेरिकल पूछा जाता है मैकेनिक्स से घुसा के, तो this particular these values will help you if you remember them। If you remember these things ना, तो आसानी से आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो। You don't have to analyze this again। Okay, बहुत बढ़िया। Now you must have this doubt, sir, why did you consider charges on the inner surface only? Why did you consider the charge on the inner surface only? Again, the reason for that is answer is the kind of charging that we do। हम चार्ज कैसे करते हैं, बैटरी लगा के करते हैं, ठीक है। चार्ज टाइम है क्या, I think टाइम हो गया। So how do we charge it? We use to charge these kind of capacitors using a battery। So tomorrow I'll teach you charging of capacitors, ठीक है, and so on, and I'll like go into detail of parallel plate capacitors, how does it work, कैसे काम करता है, how this is helpful for us, charging of capacitor, connection of battery, what will happen if we have unequal charges here, all those things we'll study tomorrow। So आज के लिए बस इतना ही। Thank you guys, thank you for attending the class, stay safe, stay healthy and enjoy money। Good night, bye bye guys।